Hi, I'm Kevin. I just got off the Blizzard Bushwacker. I give the ski 4.5 out of 5 stars. For me, it was more accessible performance than the Brahma or like a Vocal Kendo, which are very similar skis. A little bit lighter weight, so for me it's just easier to load up, get that ski to pop to the next turn. I can manipulate the turn radius much easier on this, so if I want to do long turns, short turns, medium, it's just really easy to vary my turn shape, whereas on the Kendo and the Brahma I couldn't do that quite as easily. Still found it to be very stable, not quite as stable with those skis, other skis at extreme speeds, but stable enough for me for everyday use.